How to save your file in Canva. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Canva and go to your design that you want to save. After that, click on the share icon at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on share at the top right corner of your screen, you'll find all these options pop up. Here, click on download with the arrow icon. Click on the arrow icon, which is the download. After that, you will find this kind of screen here. Select PDF standard as your file type. Press on download in here. After you press on download in here, it will be saved as PDF or any other file type you have selected. And this is how to save your file in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.